tatito mwana omoyo kwera ekitinisa kibari wakubora ruhanga tukusima munonga abo kuba turetera ombiro gwa meri twaza kumushendekereza tweshengereza ngo tugumye otuhereza obumanzi nitwijwe emirimo yakozere omu ihanga omu kanisa yawe rukwera omu maka g'abantu omu community egi ruhanga webare
okwinamira ombiro gwa Honorable Businge Mary Karoro Okurutu kwabahwera izooba kandi babanza no kwakira omutumbi gwe okuruga aha kishayi kya Bushenyi. Omukanso yaho naho MP w'abakyara n'abandi bamuheera obujulizi nk'oku abeera ari ow'omutaano omu by'obutegyeki.
Has made to the region and the nation at large, and of Bushenyi in particular. I move a motion that the Bushenyi main stadium be named after the deceased and henceforth be named Mary Karoro Stadium in her memory. And we request His Excellency the President through the Minister now and the members of President to be pleased and for the new renamed stadium if seconded by this Honorable House to a modern one like what was done to Akibua Stadium in Lila City.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as a proprietor, she was a proprietor of Ngao Anjeya Preparatory School. She provided free education to orphans and underprivileged children in accessing quality learning. I would like to convey my heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family of the Karoros, members of Bushenyi Trade and Association, Bushenyi District Local Government.
We know that politics was a male-dominated environment, and yet she was among the few gallant women in this country that dared to lay foundations on which the rest of us stand today.
Thank you. A person of that stature, I would request the government in supporting the projects of Honorable Karoro. Ezame ngata nitaka hizi ya hizi zigumzie mwisho na wao nkachumana hao ebaramheze. I wish that one could be done starting with the project ya part aifa.
Omutumbi gwa Mary Karoro Okurutu gwaretwa enyonyi yateekama aha kishayi kya Nyakabirizi kandi minisita wa gavumenti z'ebyanga Raphael Magezi yagira ngu ebyatensibwaho kanso ya district byona naija kubyesya president. Omugenzi Mary Karoro Okurutu naija kuzikwa izooba rya nyenkyakare. Gasha kwa Ben Muhozi.